Hi, have a nice day. I am Maria Guadalupe Mateos. I am going to explain the brain's part that help to the processing language and some relationships with the brain and psycholinguistics. The first part is cerebrum. The cerebrum has a frontal, temporal, and occipital lobe. This is involved in the speed information and understanding. The progress areas, it helps to pass information to another part of the brain called the motor cortex, which controls movements of your mouth. The braincrest area is involved in the understanding and processing speech and writing the language. It is located in the temporal lobe behind of your ears. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain. Its involvement in coordination, voluntary movements, and maintaining the balance and the language process. The motor cortex, it helps to speak clearly, move your mouth, your tongue, and the throat. It is located in the frontal lobe. Brain and the language have a relationship. For example, they help to understand the language and know about aphasias resulting from a neurological damage. Led researchers to examine the relationship between the language and the brain. The Broca's area is located in the frontal left lobe, which is responsible to the speech production and articulation of the words. The Broca's area is located in the left temporal lobe, associated with the language development and control the compression of the language. With the right hemisphere, it is a superior language processor, like a paralinguistic aspects for speech production and repetition and interpretation of the words. The left hemisphere is completely like linguistic ability. It helps to the verbal language and with all the evidences that the students gives. And finally, the learning is a cognitive individual process within the individual and then moves the social dimension. Also, the neutral method and the suggestive method, it helps to understand the difficulties and eccentric difficulties and explain the errors that the students have when they are speaking in a second language or with their language learning. The psycholinguistics helps teachers to consider the use the appropriate method to teach the first skills. Thank you for your attention. This is all for me. Thank you and see you later.